Nobody can really argue about how cute dogs can be. Today's video is extremely special, particularly for you dog or basically any animal lover. If this is your first time stopping by our channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Because today we're going to be discussing cute dogs with the weirdest sneezes. So the first clip is all about probably the cutest dog in the world. I can't help myself but awe every time I watch it. Especially when it raises its tiny head all the way up to suddenly splatter a pretty weird sneeze.
Leon. Oh. Achoo. Oh. Achoo.
Next up, we got one of the most humanistic sneezes ever. This husky has clearly devoted all its energy to every single sneeze. It basically shook the ground after every sniff. Let's take a look. Before we move on, can we just take a moment and appreciate this pose? Why are huskies so cute? The next clip is another dog that's having a sneezing fit. Except this one probably swallowed a blender before the allergies took over. For a second, the dog poses and regains its composure only to be engulfed by another fit of sneezes. Finally, we got another super cute dog. When I first watched this clip, I honestly thought it was fake, but as I replayed it over and over again, it got more real. It's just so absurd but way too adorable. I just want to cuddle with this dog all day.
Oh no, I see it. 15 years ago.
So these are cute dogs with the weirdest sneezes. What do you guys think? Do any of you have dogs? Comment down below and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up.